Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Neha. Finally, we have the news with us that HPSC has finally quashed the post of assistant professor in the subject English. Yes, we all were expecting these results, and finally, we have it now. On one hand, NTA NEET is cancelled. On one hand, HPSC assistant professor is cancelled. But the big question mark is on our education system. In the state of Haryana, in the subject of English, there are 613 posts all over the region that are vacant for an assistant professor post. Are we able to deliver good quality education through teachers to our deserving students? What is this education system up to right now? Nothing could be said of that. But because this video is in the context of HPSC assistant professor examination that has recently been quashed, let us try to look into that matter, that what has to be done now. What now? Let us try to find out the answer to this question. See, first of all, there are two ways with which this vacancy can be re-advertised. If the UGC regulation 2018 gets implemented and there is this direct recruitment through the process of interview, the problem will not be solved. Yes, regulation have been made for the benefit of the candidates only. But when there is so much unemployment, so much of competition, the freshers will not get chance in this direct recruitment. Many of us are PhDs, many of us are NET qualified. But yes, there are so many others also who have just qualified their NET. They have no marking in the API score. We will look at what to do now from two angles. First is, if they re-advertise it and carry on with the recruitment process using the API score for the shortlisting of the candidates for the direct recruitment of the interview. What about those candidates who have just qualified NET or are in the process of writing their thesis? They are NET qualified, they have 7 or 8 numbers. But what about the big number, 25 or 30, that they can get in the API score for PhD? Those of them who do not have teaching experience or any research experience. So this vacancy, first of all, on the basis of the UGC regulation that mandates that API score should be used for the shortlisting of the candidates, should be applied. And second way is the test. Once again, screening test, subject knowledge test, and then the interview stage. These are the two alternatives with which HPSC will once again re-advertise. But the point here is when. I cannot answer that question right now. Nobody can answer this question right now, when these vacancies will be re-advertised. So what we have in our hands now? I'm talking to the candidates. I'm talking to the expecting, seeking, job seeking, eligible candidates. I'm talking to you people. What you have in your hands now is time. Be consistent with your preparation. Try to get something in your level up in your API score. Even if that's for research factor, even if you are doing your PhD, try to gear the work up. I know I am sounding vague when I say this thing, that gear up the work, because PhD is itself is a dedicatory work, dedicatory thesis that you write, and it's not a day's or a month's work. It costs you your years. But if you are somebody who is at the stage of finalizing the chapters, finalize it as soon as possible. And secondly, devote some time of your day to the preparation. To my students who are preparing for NTA UGC NET examination, gear up with your preparation now. Try to get best in this June attempt only. Forms are still open for NET examination. फिल कर दीजिए, नेट का एग्जाम जरूर दीजिए. दैट इज इफ यू क्वालिफाई इट, यू विल स्ट्रेट अवे गेट 7 to 8 मार्क्स इन योर API स्कोर. आपके पास रिसर्च पेपर्स का ऑप्शन है. आप ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारे बाकी पैरामीटर्स हैं उनके लिए आप कंसिस्टेंटली वर्क कर सकते हैं. कंसिस्टेंसी प्रिपरेशन में रखिए, कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ा थोड़ा, क्योंकि हिंट मिल चुका है, API स्कोर को एनहांस करने में रखिए. आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग द very fact that get out and get admission in some private university. Try to get it in a positive way. What I'm trying to say is be consistent, be job ready. Come what may, the alternative is, I don't know when the final hearing and the final advertisements will be there. It might take months and it might even take years. But what you have in your hand, what I have in my hand is time. And time is, I tell you, the best investment that you can do upon yourself is devote time to yourself, to your preparation, to leveling up your API score. And if you have any query regarding research paper publication, formatting of research paper, you can let me know. And if you are at one such stage where you are just finalizing your thesis, you can contact me, because I am officially in the state of Haryana carrying out proofreading of the theses, and that too at a very nominal price. Proofreading according to MLA 9th edition. I have so far proofread approximately 14 to 16 theses, and one is just with me right now of state universities, I am saying. So if you want to seek direction in the research area, I can be of some help. So because what we are here for the betterment of the students. What facilities can we provide in promoting you, in ensuring that you become eligible for something really good. So that's why we are here. If you want any sort of help in research paper publication or in proofreading of your theses, proofreading, I'm saying, I am not promoting something that I will be in your shoes and will write your thesis. No, I will proofread your thesis. I'll guide you like a secondary guide. But because I have been a dedicated educator for HPSC Assistant Professor examination, and you might have seen me talking about it so much on my YouTube channel, that's another helping hand that I'm lending you people. And also, be consistent with your preparation. You have your syllabi with you, start reading it once more, because knowledge never gets wasted. And try to make this time as an investment for yourself, investment for upcoming opportunities. Yes, अगर API स्कोर लगता है तो बाकी वैकेंसीज पर भी असर पड़ेगा. इंग्लिश की वैकेंसी का क्वैश होना बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स को भी क्वेश्चन करती है, और अगर हरियाणा के स्टूडेंट्स एकजुट होकर के एक वैकेंसी को क्वैश करा सकते हैं, तो ये सब कुछ हम बाकी स्टेट्स में जो इस तरीके की वैकेंसीज आ रही हैं उस पर भी इस चीज का असर देख सकते हैं. सो राइट नाउ व्हाट यू हैव, व्हाट आई हैव, टाइम. बी कंसिस्टेंट विद योर प्रिपरेशन. Let it rest in God's hands. I tell you, everything will be sorted. Be positive, be optimistic, start working on your loopholes. With that, I come to the end of this video, not to the end of this series, because we have been a dedicated educator of HPSC and will continue to be so. Thank you.